back to another video. This is a productive and busy week in my life, as you can tell by the title of this vlog. So it is Monday morning. I just finished making my coffee, as you saw, and I'm just planning out my schedule for this week, making my to-do list. We have a very busy week this week. Next week I'm flying back home to California to visit family and friends, and so this week I'm trying to get as much work as I can possibly get done. So with that being said, I have a lot to do this week, more than what I typically have. One thing that I like to do on Sundays and Mondays, Sundays I like to kind of brainstorm and brain dump what I want to do for the week ahead, and then on Mondays is when I like to sit down, make my to-do list, set my intentions. And setting my intentions for the week and for each day is something that is really important to me. It helps me to stay focused and stay on track with whatever it is that I'm trying to do. So for example, this week my intentions, I have two simple intentions, and let me show them to you. And that is to prioritize my wellness goals regardless of how busy I am. I want to ensure that I'm still taking proper care of myself and that I am showing up and doing the things that I need to do. And then my second intention for this week is to just get things done. Even if that means maybe working a few extra days this week where I typically wouldn't work, or having a little bit longer hours, that's totally okay, because I know it's for a reason, which is to be able to enjoy my time with my family next week. There's a lot going on, but all good things, all very aligned things, so I'm very grateful. So anyways, in today's video, I am going to just bring you along with me as I have a very busy and productive week in my life. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish planning the rest of my week. So I'm having lunch right now. I know it looks kind of gross. It looked so pretty before. I'll insert a picture right here. This is a tuna salad, and it's definitely a staple lunch recipe that we make a few times a week. It's quick, easy, cheap, and relatively healthy. If you want to make it healthier, you can leave out the mayo that we used. It is tuna, obviously, your choice of veggies. We typically use tomato, red onion, bell pepper, corn, jalapenos, avocado, cucumber. Mix it all together with mayo and Dijon mustard with some garlic salt, pepper, and squeeze lemon juice over it. It is a very simple recipe, and it's so filling, especially with the spinach and everything. It is definitely a staple recipe that's on rotation here. Okay, this is kind of a weird angle, but I went to Ulta to pick up a few things for my trip that I needed, so I thought I'd show you really quickly what I got. I didn't get too much because I have things at my parents' house from last time when I visited, so I just needed to pick up a few things. But the first thing that I got was this travel kit by Osea. I've heard so much about this brand and I've wanted to try them for so long, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to try out some of their products. This comes with their ocean cleanser, their atmosphere protective cream, their hyaluronic sea serum, as well as their body oil. So it's their best sellers for their face and body, and this was $39. So I will definitely be taking this to travel with me. So the next thing that I picked up is not anything new. I've tried this before, and it's the overnight exfoliating treatment by the brand Good Molecules. These next products also aren't anything new. Pretty much everything aside from the daily essential kit I've tried. So the next thing that I got is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I'm actually wearing this right now, but I am wearing a different shade. I'm wearing my summer shade right now, and it's just a little bit too dark for me. Like I said, I'm wearing it right now. For a CC cream, I think this covers so well. Right now, I do have like a breakout here, which you can kind of see because my oils are seeping through, and I have some hormonal breakouts on my jawline, and it covers very well, and I feel like the skin skin still looks really glowy and fresh. I go back between this CC cream and some other foundations, and I always go back to this one. And then I also got the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer by ColourPop, and this one is in the shade medium 85N there. But anyways, that is what I got today at Ulta. I'm gonna spend the next few hours just in deep work mode, but I will see you all probably tomorrow, if not when I'm making dinner later today. Hey guys, so I've just been sitting at my computer checking some emails and doing some admin stuff. I really haven't been vlogging much, I feel, because like I said, I'm just getting a lot of work done this week, and a lot of it is just sitting at my computer, which I don't think is really that interesting to show. I always likes to sit here while I'm working at my desk. It never fails that she plops herself right here. So I've just been going through my closet trying to figure out what I want to take back home to California and like plan my outfits and things like that. And I wanted to show you guys some things that I picked up from Zaful. Did some online shopping and I added some things into my collection. Super cute stuff for the fall time. And I'm using the term fall very loosely because I do live in the desert, so my version of fall weather and fall clothing is probably a little bit different compared to you depending on where you live, so just take that into consideration. But I wanted to show you guys some of the pieces that I picked up because I think they are so cute. So let me put you guys down. So the first thing that I picked up is this one shoulder white rib knit crop top. This is what the material looks like. And I picked this up because it's obviously a basic piece that you can pair with anything. And I actually don't have anything that is like this in this color, surprisingly. I have a lot of these black tank tops and things like that, but not one of this color. So I thought this would be nice to add whether I'm running errands. So it definitely fits true to size, and it's something that I feel like I can dress up or down depending on how I want to wear it. And I definitely want to pick up more colors in this. They have white, obviously. They also have black, a light coffee color, I believe a darker brown, and then like a orange red color, which I think would be so perfect for fall time. So this was the first thing that I got, and I will link this in the description if you want to check it out yourself, as well as all of the other things that I share. So the next item that I got, I love so much. It literally snatches your waist and looks so good on, and it's just this black zip up workout jacket. It's a bit cropped on, it crops on the waist, and then it also has holes in the fingers for your thumbs, and it's just a really cute workout jacket. I really love finding good quality workout pieces like this. It's definitely like my daily wardrobe, my daily go-to look. I'm always in athleisure. Okay, so for the next item I'm about to show you, I honestly wasn't sure if I would like it or not. It looked really cute on the website, but I just wasn't sure if it was going to fit me how I like my clothes to fit, or if it would look the same in person. But I actually like them so much better in person. I think they look better in person than they do on the website. But it are the corduroy pleated wide leg pants in light coffee, and they look like this. Let me try to show you guys. They look like this, but they are so cute. They have the wide leg. This is something you can definitely dress up or dress down. You can pair with sneakers and a crop jacket, or however you want to wear it. I don't have anything like this in my closet, which is why I wanted to pick these up, and I'm so glad that I did, because I'm very picky with the pants that I get. I don't like to feel claustrophobic or like I can't breathe after a meal, but I don't think I will have a problem with these, and they are just so cute and a nice addition to my fall wardrobe. Okay, and the next two pieces that I got have literally been on my Pinterest board for so long, and I finally found the perfect set, and I actually got two of them because I love them so much. And once I show you them, you are going to know exactly what I'm talking about. You've probably seen them on Pinterest as well, but it is this two-piece set. This one is called the pleated button-up shirt and pants set, and it looks like this set, and this is in white. This is what it looks like. It is so pretty. It's long sleeve. It has these flared ruffle sleeves, which I think are so pretty. I'm so excited to wear this set. Like I said, I've had it on my Pinterest board for so long, and now I finally have not one but two sets. So this is a better visual of what it looks like, and this is such a nice material. It's super soft and flowy. It isn't itchy at all or super see-through. It's a good quality, good thick material, which I love. And then the pants as well, let me show you guys. So it has a nice stretchy waistband, which we love, especially for the holidays. You know, we like to indulge a little bit, so I love the stretch it has. Again, it has that same pleated material, and they are super flowy. The same detailing as the sleeves, which is also really pretty. And I also got the same pant and top set in black. So this is the exact same thing except in black. They also have a few different colors. So they also have like this really pretty baby blue set. It looks like this, if you can see. That one's really pretty as well, but I don't really wear this color, so didn't get that one, but it's super pretty. And they also have this beautiful tangerine set that I think is perfect for the fall time as well. This is what that looks like. So they have those two colors, and then black and white. I just got black and white because I'm a neutral girl. I love neutrals. You can mix and match with them so easily, and like you can see on here, you can wear it either open like this, which is really cute, or you can wear it like this, which I think is also super cute. Well, so here is a better look of what the black looks like. And again, the quality is so nice, very flowy, but still a thick enough material where it isn't super see-through or anything like that. And again, like I mentioned, I live in the desert, so this is definitely something that I feel like I can get away with wearing in the fall time and even in the winter. And I feel like you can, no matter where you live, you can definitely wear this. You might just need a jacket over it, but I am very excited to wear this. I'm thinking of wearing it for either like Thanksgiving or Christmas or something like that, but I absolutely love those two sets that I got. But I also ordered this super pretty crossbody bag. It hasn't arrived yet. It's en route, but it is their solid crossbody tote bag, and I got it in white, and this is what it looks like. So I would say it's like a medium-sized tote bag, but I'm really excited for that bag as well. I have a lot of like black bags and cream bag, but nothing like this color, so I know it'll be a great addition to my wardrobe, especially for the fall time. But anyways, those are the things that I got from Zaful to kind of kickstart my fall wardrobe, and they were actually kind enough to offer a coupon code to my viewers. So if you're interested in picking up any of these pieces or any of their new fall items, you can use code Jasmine30. I'll insert it right here somewhere, and you can save some money on your fall shopping. So thank you to Zaful for that. That was very kind. So like I mentioned, I will be sure to link everything that I showed in today's haul in the description bar, as well as the code. So be sure to take advantage of that if you need to do some fall shopping, either for yourself or you want to get a head start with Christmas shopping. Definitely take advantage. But anyways, I am going to finish figuring out what I'm going to take with me on my trip. So I will check in with you guys in a bit.